Hello guys, welcome to another video here on the Stealth Enterprise YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna talk how I went from a friend of streetwear to really becoming an owner of a brand based on streetwear. But I'm gonna talk how I was a fan, how I turned into an owner, what inspired me to do this, and what is my goals with my brand. Hope you guys like it and subscribe to the channel, and let's go start this YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Mario. I'm 21 years old. I'm the owner of the Stealth Enterprise clothing brand, and the brand evolves on streetwear. For those you don't know who it is, it's clothing that you can use on the outside or inside. You can use it any place you want, and it's a really free clothing that just helps you feeling good to yourselves. And it's one of the things that I love about streetwear. I became a fan of streetwear when I was really young. I was 14, 15 years old. I saw the older people that I usually was hanging in, and there was a times that I saw they were so cool in that time when I was 14, 15. They were so cool because they were just vibing with confidence with the clothing they would have, and the clothing was streetwear clothing, and that's like streetwear clothing is really it's a thing that I love because you can see the expressions, the people, how you can see everything on the people, and it's just amazing. And I was 14, 15, that age of like rebellion and things, it was really nice. I wanted to express myself with my clothing, and until today, I'm still a fan of streetwear clothing. And I'm really a fan of one brand that really changed my life. The brand that really changed my life about streetwear clothing, it was New Yorker. For those who don't know what New Yorker is, it's a clothing brand based on streetwear and casual. It's really streetwear and casual. So their clothing can be used outside, inside, in various situations. They sell jeans, they sell shorts, they sell t-shirts, crew necks, hoodies, everything that you can see. And that clothing is not only for men, it's all for females too. So it's really a beautiful brand, and my clothing that I made about my brand inspires a little bit of them. So I saw what they were doing and I inspired myself to do that. But I was a fan first. All of my clothing that I bought until today is from New Yorker. I don't trust any other brand. I don't trust none of them. I don't trust none of them because New York really set the pace on what show I was wearing, and it was really nice. I felt like free for various things that I was doing since my teenagers years. I'm 21, but in 14, 15 years old, you do a lot of stupid things, but it's normal. But I'm feeling free right now. And even this t-shirt that I'm using under this crew neck is from the New Yorker. You can just see how much I love that brand. It's really one of my favorite brands on this entire planet, and I hope they even get more success to doing right now. But this brand just elevated things. So this is the part that I'm gonna talk how I became a clothing brand owner. So I became a clothing brand owner on my birthday. I saw before my birthday, I was really wanted to make a brand that resolved on people freeing themselves, being free, having no bad conscience of themselves. And I saw New Yorker. I wanted to be like New Yorker, but I want to make a New Yorker a version of myself. So I created this brand called Stealth Enterprise. So the brand right now is currently available. I have the clothing available on my website. You can see it later on the description. But let's depart from that. So basically, I based the New Yorker clothing into my clothing, and I really got some really good results. I saw people really bought my clothing, and this is just amazing, because this just shows that what I'm doing right now is going well. I have to keep the pace what I'm doing and gotta be consistent with it. Just do it over and over again. Doesn't matter how much it takes, I'm gonna do it, Even if it takes me years, I don't mind because this is what I want to do. And my clothing right now, I only selling hoodies, but in the summer I'm gonna selling a lot of variations of t-shirts. So hope you guys see the link. I'm gonna tell in the description for you guys to see. And I just want to say that the thing that let me really create this brand, this YouTube channel that I'm having right now, is the New Yorker. Yo, that clothing brand is one of the best in the world. And it's really, really, really underrated. A lot of people go there and just I see a lot of positive reviews, and it's just amazing. But thank you guys for watching this. I just wanted to say what inspired me to be a clothing brand owner, the brand that really inspired me, the people who really inspired me. And next time, I hope you guys subscribe to the channel and see the clothing that I have on my website and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.